dry desert country. Not. Especially here, this is a Karoo. I mean,
What, the first won't be the last?
I might be excited for that. Is there a rain dance to make it stop? What's
That's
it?
little 243, Savage.
Yeah. The famous song of Africa of Toto?
No, I'm not singing that.
Oh, don't make him sing.
And Mr. Rains in
I've
Africa?
got more qualities than a good pH.
But that's not one of them.
No.
Just what's happening here?
Todd's getting us some earplugs because the last time he may be rather deaf. So I do have a pair somewhere, I just don't know where.
Always forget them. Just put them with your binoculars.
Yeah. Those are actually nice because you can put them around your neck. Although I've got a neck like a kudu bull.
Must be
Bag
big
of tricks.
earpieces, eh? Do they fit come in a bag like that? They must be massive. That's a lucky driver.
I might feel like Mr. Weeks by the end of the week. I won't hear. You forgot him. It doesn't matter, don't worry. I got fingers.
I swear I put him in here.
North American game. The vitals a little more forward. So what we do is we aim for the front shoulder. Just go straight center punch the front shoulder. It'll break the shoulders, top of the heart, lungs, that kind of thing. Okay. So that's where we aim. We don't aim behind the shoulder. And then if it is quartering or whatever, I'll talk to you. I'll explain to you if it's quartering, then you tuck it in behind the shoulder, whatever it might be. Okay. So there's your target. Get comfortable and let's take a shot. Your butt's going to be wet.
Yeah, it is.
Put your earplugs in.
You have to push this thing down, right?
Touch the trigger till you're ready.
Huh?
Don't touch the trigger till you're ready.
Okay.
It's already ready to fire.
Oh, safety's not on.
Nope.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Little high left on the
Left target.
yeah. If you wanted to have another shot just to make sure,
You want me to shoot it? Make sure this
just have to hand harder when it's not raining. Nggak dia indah nggak kulit dom.
Okay, genoeg.
I've got it, yeah. I've got it all, yeah.
Oh, I don't know, you might have
Same.
too bad. Yeah, you got it.
Some German I will take in. They must love that.
Too bad they don't have to bring you hide for
Line it up, you see it in the corner. I'll pop your trigger if you're safe.
Don't fall.
Don't break your pH.
So this is
how much fun they're having, right?
day one of our hunting trip.
Yeah. Wasn't for all this rain, right? So that's going to make it good in 2 days
Oh, yeah.
after we can get around.
I think let's give it an attempt. If we can get one animal in the salt at least, and then we can go sit around a warm fire. Make me feel better if we get one. At least the ladies aren't sleeping, you know?
Now they're just resting their eyes, checking for holes there.
Mosley, huh?
All the Blesbucks, the yellow,
Okay. Okay.
the three of them. Finish up that one. Oh, I don't have it, the black Blesbuck.
Go up ahead quickly. Let's see where he's going. Where is he, Tom? Okay, yeah. I've got really good with public here. Is that it to be up there, or is it a cockpit nest, bro? Yes. That's what I got. Come on. There we go. That's him. You can stop. There you go. That's him. A little bit back there.
Yeah, he's going down.
Naar die bedroom, bro.
Ja.
Okay, here you go. Can we go to the warm fireplace now? Is there any more to the zoo? Hey, já indo né? Ape na seguinte, se eu quase ninguém.
Very good shot. I know the full pop.
Got him.
Agafun.
Beautiful.
Hoe ga je joggen zeil?
Too far back the first shot, too far forward the second.
It was facing her. No, it was
No,
a bit quarter in.
This way and then that way.
I think that's the same shot.
We do.
I think you missed it the first shot. Hey, Tom? Trying to figure out. Okay, you ready to get cold and wet?
They're debating on whether they're going to or not.
Okay, we got a black wildebeest bull that we spotted this morning. We couldn't get a shot at him, so we're gonna try and push him our way. He's running around, giving us a run around. Between the rain and the wind, they're very skittish. So let's give it a try. Let's see if we can get it done. Let's do it, Todd.
Let's go. They're riding.
Yeah.
The wind's not too good.
Indoor ni paar peso. Hier indoor ja eigenlijk. Yeah, he's quartering. Where is he heading away or? Yeah. There. There's he going. There you standing again. See what range you can get with yours. I just want to make sure. Okay, wait, it's coming down, it's coming down. you see him?
Yep.
Yeah, whack him. Reload. What do you dialed at? Are you still dialed at 350?
What's that?
Are you not still dialed at 350?
No. Told me he's at 200.
Yeah, he was under
He's
200.
going down.
Huh?
Fallen over.
Has he?
Yeah, he's kicking.
I think
There's
it's,
big trees here.
I didn't know he had.
Yeah.
Really?
Now, when you said he's at 200, I dialed back to 200.
I couldn't even hear the clap on it. Yeah, well done.
Yeah, the wind's blowing way too
Yeah.
hard that way.
Got nice hooks on. Look how big and wide these bosses are too. Proper. Very nice. He's got a big body too, Tom. Yeah. You take your poses hier. Lovely.
So, come, tell us. Okay, I'm on infrared here because it's too dark for my
Yeah,
camera.
yeah.
So just to explain to people, it's not completely dark. Okay, go.
Right, Todd managed to make an excellent shot on a black wildebeest here. It's right at dark now when we got onto him. We've got a little bit of light left. We've got the truck coming in to help us recover, take some pictures. And Todd made an excellent shot at just over 200 yards. Perfect. Animal down.
Perfect. One shot on a wildebeest.
Yeah.